All right, so let's go ahead and start with some of the common modifiers. So first one, let's explore font. Okay, so font is basically a way to specify what the font size of your text is going to be, and you have various different options. So you have large text, so that's going to basically make our text appear as a large text. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside a V stack so I can show you various different options. Okay, so you have title, you have title 2, title 3, headline, subheadline, caption, caption 2, call out, footnote. Okay, so as you can see, these are different size and different properties. So for example, this one is bold, and the one that is bold is this heading one. Okay, and this one is slightly big, this one is super small, and stuff like that. So you have a way to provide a different font with this font modifier. Now font modifier not only comes with these predefined values, but it has a place for you to specify your own size as well. So you can use system size if you want to use system font with specific size. So let's say if I want to use 43 or 44, 43 is odd. Okay, 44 number, right? So you can actually specify that with this font size. Okay, now let's say if you had a custom font. Now in that case, what you can do is you can choose this custom font, custom, and then specify the name of the font, which is basically a string format of the name of the font, and then the size. Okay, so this is an opportunity where you can either use the built-in fonts for iOS, or you can include a font file and then start using that. Okay, so let me use one of the inbuilt that's actually supported by iOS. All right, so iOS has some pre-installed fonts, and if you go to this developer.apple.com, or just look for pre-installed fonts on iOS, you're gonna get you're gonna get to this website that lists what is supported. So iOS 13 plus, there are various different fonts that are there. I'm looking for Chalk Duster. Okay, so Chalk Duster is the one that I'm gonna choose. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it inside the font. Okay, and as you can see, the font is displaying that custom font with size 44. So that's another way to control font that you have specified, that actually makes your text look different for different fonts. Okay, so that's a way to stylize your font. All right, so this was about font. Let's take a look at another modifier about text in next video.